Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So right now I'm gonna cook some fries, and this is the first time I'm cooking on. Sorry, that was my earphones, but I'm cooking on my YouTube channel. Usually you guys see me at Walmart, but I was supposed to get paid on Friday, and the people that I was supposed to pick up my check left too early for me to pick up my check, so now I gotta wait until tomorrow to pick up my check. So on Friday I have the right to pick up my check because I get paid on that day, even though I don't have school. So don't do what I did. So yeah. This is good. Now we're done with that. Now I gotta dump this. Okay, now we're done with that. I'll put this in there. Me, I just gonna cut it. Uh-oh. No, I'm not comfortable. It's a big knife, and I'm not comfortable with. Yeah, you guys get to see me use a big knife. No, I have not used a big knife before, and my teacher does let me cook in cooking class, but he don't trust me that good. Cause I put the knife way too close to my. Oh my god. I usually use the small knives, but I couldn't find the small knives, the ones I usually use, so you gotta do what you get to do. That's big pieces.
She really hates me. No,
Hey, this is one potato, guys. That's freaking crazy. This is literally one potato. I cut so slow, bruh. But that's okay. for me, I just leave the dishes inside the sink till when I'm done cooking, then I wash it. So it doesn't make sense. You're cooking and then you gotta eat and then you gotta wash your bowl. Wanna do it at the same time, you know? I'm pretty good. I never even cut myself, which is good. Oh, that was close. Telling you guys, I'm not comfortable using this knife. Look how big this knife is. This is big. You guys will see me use the small knife, but today is the big knife. I'm gonna go take this into the sink. Like that. And let me go show you guys.
She just exposed you, man.
Wow.
Let's go.
Okay, now we're gonna add some oil. Now we are going to add some oil into this. Okay. Just a little drop, if you guys know what I mean. Put that right there. Actually, you know what? I don't think we're gonna need tongs. We're gonna need I just realized we're gonna need the tongs to pick it up. My bad. Move this. They actually make another potato. We have 4, but I want to condense it to make it last.
I loved you. Love isn't a race manipulation, Kev.
Now we're just waiting for the potato. We don't have that much inside our ice pot to cook with until tomorrow. So, yeah. But now I gotta wait for this thing
She
to
said she
heat up.
loved you until we, Kev. Tell us who you really are then.
You guys saw how big the potato was, and theory, that's a lot for one person. But that would be okay, cause at least a lot of people, like some people, they know how to cook.
Why? It should be good.
The other people doesn't know how to cook, and that's okay. You don't know how to cook. That's alright. And once you start cooking, you're gonna be scared of fire. It's normal. But my crazy is that one thing with my mom is all her kids better know how to cook. That's one thing with my mom. All her kids better know how to cook, because if not, it's serious sizzling. I don't know if you guys can see, but it is sizzling. Oh shit, I didn't know that. Oil does not play if you have like oil, just make sure to be safe. Because oil is not the one to be messing with. Especially cooking. Don't mind our cat. He's annoying, but this is that's what we're working with.
I thought you liked being basic. Sure doesn't sound like it.
I'm sorry if it's too dark. You guys can't see me that good, but the phrase not even supposed to look like this, but I want it small. Oh, yeah, for it to be cooking it on its own. Give it wait, on its own. I glad that the fire on and they only know how to shut it off in colors. That's crazy. Only I know where it's at for emergency access if something was to happen. So in here, right? Move that like that. So in here is just normal cabinets, right? Why did my dad do this? But I know down low that was my dad, but really look at it. You can turn this, and this shows a box. This box right here is emergency exit. I'll try to get over. So that has, I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, hold on. But hopefully I gotta get down. Ow, I shouldn't have done that. But that's where all the buttons stay. Let me get up. Gotta hurry up. But this is where all the buttons stay for like emergency exit and all that. Just in case if the lights, the power, we use that, all that stuff. When we did it, when we ran out our power, so it's like backup case. That's how only I know that secret. Move that mirror like that. It's cute, but only I know about that. Nobody else knows in this house about it. Well, my mom does, because she saw that I had to. But yeah, other than that. Maybe I could throw some sausages while I'm scared. But the soup in here is gonna pop that open. Today I just want to eat potato. To be honest, I'm going for some potato. But I just want to show you guys that that's how I shut off the fire alarm, and only I know about it. Nobody else knows besides my mom, because my mom didn't have to be there. And then it tastes, ooh, hot. I shouldn't have it. That needs to cook. Honestly. It needs more time to cook. Yeah, that's the real memo. All my kids really know how to cook. That's all my mom is. I'm gonna see. I don't know if this. You guys know I love to use this cup and I have to wash it, bro. That's insane. He has I am scared to touch this fan because I think I need to use it for something. Yeah. Like, don't get me wrong, I do want to. Use this fan, but I don't want to touch stuff. We have so many people in here. Oh, I just knew it. I don't know if you guys can see. And these news are the bomb. I think that in days. Eat the chicken days. Eat the chicken days. Hey. My parents are coming home late because my grandma needs to be, she wants my parents if my parents can drop her off at her house. So, my parents are coming late. And honestly, I'm thinking, you know what, if you can help me. I'm thinking to add DC into my stuff, try that thing out, because I tried potato by myself, but I never tried leaky mini with potato. So let's see how that goes. I know it's supposed to be brown, but I don't care what people tells me. Honestly, I really don't. As long as it's warm we're good. That's all I care about. I don't care if I really don't care. And I don't care if people talk to me like, oh yeah, is he supposed to be brown? Okay, for you guys it can be brown. For me, I just don't care. As long as, to me, I feel like as long as this is warmed up and it's hot, like, and it takes off all that bacteria in the food, that's what should matters. This is hard. Because this thing is... And so I never run the water underneath the pan after you just done cook, especially if you're cooking with oil, because water and oil, if it's hot, whoo, that burger can splat into your face. Trust me, it will not look pretty. I don't care what people tells me SB supposed to be brown, the potatoes. At this point, I really don't care. I really don't care. I don't care what anybody tells me. Honestly, it's my food, my way. My mom, like even my mom, she cooks food until it's brown. But for me, I really don't care. Honestly, it looks brown. Look, there it looks like it's burned. I mean, look at it, guys. Like, I ain't trying to burn my food. You feel me? Let's try to see how this is gonna taste. Now I'm very freaking curious because, yes, I got it. If I like it, I will. And tomorrow, definitely. Oh, that's a lot. I'm trying to grab a lot. Okay. Now I'm gonna stir it. Woo! This is looking good. Honestly, that she's tasting good. And I might buy more meat. Wow. Cheers. I love. It's so good, like, I literally just I literally point to myself and I'm, okay, we ate lihimui with pineapple, we ate lihimui with popcorn. Have you ever seen anybody eat lihimui with potato? Now that's good. All I did was cook the potato, mix it with lihimui, and good. This is good. I feel like I want to make another one. But my freaking hair. I want to make another one. I seriously want to eat more. This is so good. I'm done. That's another thing too. My mom taught us. Never talk food in your mouth. That's disrespectful. Oh, I'm gonna grab a potato. See the oil. The oil is still in there. I'm going to see. I'm gonna make another one like literally. That shit was good. I gotta wash these dishes so I can reuse it. You guys will see me on the next video. In the second video.